SpaceX stock, the black hole of capital markets? Disclaimer. This presentation is for educational and discussion purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. All investments involve risk. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions. Hello, everyone. Today I'd like to discuss an interesting and controversial question. Could SpaceX stock become the black hole of capital markets? A black hole has such powerful gravity that anything entering its reach is difficult to escape. Could an asset exist that attracts global capital in the same way? Many investors believe SpaceX may be moving in that direction. Part 1. Why does SpaceX have a black hole effect? SpaceX is much more than a rocket company. It sits at the intersection of several massive industries. 1. The space economy. SpaceX is the world's leading commercial launch provider. Its reusable rockets have dramatically reduced launch costs. Future opportunities include satellite launches, lunar infrastructure, Mars colonization, space tourism. The space economy could eventually be worth tens of trillions of dollars. 2. Starlink. Starlink already serves customers around the world. Potential markets include remote internet access, aviation and maritime communications, military communications, AI data transmission. Some analysts believe Starlink alone could eventually be worth trillions. 3. AI infrastructure. Future. AI systems require global connectivity, data transmission, and computing infrastructure. SpaceX already operates a global satellite network and may become an important part of future AI infrastructure. 4. The Musk effect. Investors do not only buy assets, they buy visions. When people invest in SpaceX, they are also investing in the dream of Mars, human expansion into space, the future of technology. That narrative is extremely powerful. Part 2. How is a capital black hole created? History has seen several assets attract enormous amounts of capital. Gold. Gold has stored wealth for thousands of years and is worth more than $20 trillion globally. U.S. Treasury bonds. They attract reserve capital from governments and institutions worldwide. Bitcoin. Bitcoin grew from almost nothing into a multi-trillion-dollar asset because investors believed future demand would continue to grow. SpaceX may combine three attractive characteristics: the scarcity of gold, the growth potential of technology stocks, the dream premium of Bitcoin. This combination is rare. If SpaceX becomes fully public, capital could flow into it from pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, technology funds, retail investors, and even cryptocurrency investors. Part 3. Will SpaceX pull capital away from crypto? The global crypto market is worth several trillion dollars. Many crypto assets depend heavily on market sentiment because they often lack cash flow, profits, or operating businesses. By contrast, SpaceX has real revenue, real customers, real assets, significant technological advantages. For many institutions, SpaceX may appear easier to evaluate and justify than most cryptocurrencies. As a result, some capital could gradually move from crypto into SpaceX, particularly institutional and long-term investment capital. However, crypto still offers unique advantages: decentralization, global transferability, independence from any single company. The two may ultimately coexist rather than directly replace one another. Part 4. What if everyone FOMOs into SpaceX? Imagine a future where investors believe SpaceX will become the most important company of the next several decades. A self-reinforcing cycle could emerge. Stock rises leads to more investors buy, leads to media coverage increases, leads to demand grows, leads to stock rises further. We have seen similar dynamics with Amazon, Tesla, and Nvidia. But SpaceX may have an even larger story because it represents not only technology, but the future of space civilization itself. If global capital continues to flow into SpaceX, valuations of $5 trillion, $10 trillion, even $20 trillion may not be impossible. Conclusion: will SpaceX become the black hole of capital markets? Perhaps. SpaceX possesses world-leading space technology, the Starlink global network, important AI-era infrastructure, a compelling long-term vision.
At the same time, it faces regulatory risks, technological risks, uncertainty surrounding Mars projects, potential overvaluation. Over the coming decades, we may witness a new capital phenomenon. In the past, capital chased gold. Today, capital chases data. Tomorrow, capital may chase the stars. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy discussions about AI, cryptocurrency, and future technologies, please subscribe to Digital Civilization. See you in the next episode.